Hi guys, this is Robert Allen with Sacred Supplements, and this video is going to be about the variety pack. A lot of you savvy shoppers have probably noticed you can save about 20 bucks when you buy the Soleil, Colloidal Silver, and Logos Ormus together in a variety pack. And although they come with written instructions, a lot of people are inquiring how to use these three supplements together. You know, just mix them all together and chug it down or what? So I'm going to break that down for you. And based on my experience and research, it is best to take the Soleil first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and then fast for 2 hours. This will allow all those electrolytes and trace minerals and everything to get fully absorbed and give Soleil to do its detoxifying thing, which is flush out your entire digestive system. And this all works best on an empty stomach. Now you can drink as much non-caffeinated beverages as you want during that 2 hour fast. And after the 2 hours, you can, eat breakfast or whatever as per usual. In regard to the colloidal silver, or copper for that matter, it is absorbed primarily sublingually, so as in through the mouth. So what you want to do is take the dose and then hold it in your mouth, swish it around, gargle it, let it soak under your tongue for about a minute, and that'll get all the absorption that you need. So it doesn't matter if you have a full or empty stomach in regards to taking the colloids. However, if you're taking them to combat a certain illness or condition, I'd recommend you take a small dose in the morning and a small dose in the evening to keep it in your system all day. And in regards to the Ormus, that really depends on the individual. I personally take my Ormus late evening, and that works best for me. But some people notice that they get a huge energy boost a couple hours after taking Ormus. So if that's the case, you wouldn't want to take it at night because you'll have trouble sleeping. And in other cases, particularly first-time users, they may notice some detox symptoms the first week or so of taking Ormus. And of course, if that's the case, you wouldn't want to take that in the morning because then you'd have to deal with all the drowsiness or detox symptoms in public. So you might want to take that late afternoon, early evening, and deal with that while you're at home. So in regard to the Ormus, it's absorbed primarily through your lower intestines. It takes about 2 hours, and you just have to play it by ear and see how it affects you, and then plan accordingly. All right, I guess that's pretty much it on those three supplements. I appreciate you guys watching it, and I hope this was helpful. This is Robert Allen. Good day, God bless, and namaste.